When I walked into the walls of Elon Law, they called me by name. They've never met me before in my life, but I just felt from the freedom I had to call into the dean's office and speak with Dean Gaskin, and she reassured me, to come and visit and see what we have to offer, and that was the best decision I've ever made.
It was on the front end everything that I wanted it to be, and when I came here, it was even more than that.
All the professors have so much experience that it offers you a lot more avenues to explore and realize what you want to do.
I really wanted a unique program where I could have that faculty support and I could have the opportunities that I needed to develop my interest in international law, and I found that here.
We opened with a vision to create a law school with a difference, a law school that combines a rigorous academic program but also complements it with a number of experiential opportunities. We're very proud of the program that we have here. We're proud of our faculty, and we're proud of the practicing attorneys who assist us in making this a really, really wonderful program of legal education.
The Preceptor Program is also wonderful. You are paired up with a local lawyer from a variety of practice areas. Even if it's not something that you see yourself going into, it's nice to be able to have someone who's gone through law school and been through the experience and give you some feedback on maybe what they missed out on or what they took note on that really helped them in their career.
As soon as you get to Elon, it gives you one person that you can start building your network and plan off of. And so that's really beneficial for first-year law students who get into law school.
I've had a really great experience with the leadership program at Elon Law. Once you're in the winter term, you're actually working with real private organizations. You're giving them hands-on advice. You're telling them what you need to do. It really establishes a level of professionalism that I didn't see coming from any other law schools.
The moot court program works really hard to create a realistic environment. So, for example, in our intramural competition, the bench for the final round of the intramural was comprised solely of judges from the North Carolina Supreme Court and the North Carolina Court of Appeals. So you're arguing in front of real judges and getting, I guess, a realistic experience.
At Elon, you won't make an appointment that your teacher says, no, I can't make that, or put you off. It's an open door, all doors open policy. That allows you, if you have a question after class, you run right to their office and ask it. You don't have to put that question away and try to remember it when you're outlining for your exam. The accessibility of the faculty is tremendous.
Getting to know them more on a personal level, going to lunch on occasions, that kind of thing, where you get to interact outside the classroom, and that helps with just communication between the students and the faculty.
I think that Elon has so many things that differentiate it from other law schools that I was looking at, particularly the small class size.
We're close enough that we want each other to do well, and there's a healthy level of competition. Like, we all want to do well individually, but we don't want to see someone, do poorly. We don't, find joy in that. I think that we really encourage each other, and I think that, again, the class sizes and the size of the whole institution makes that possible.
I know the Center for Professional Development has been critical in helping me put together my resume, draft cover letters, put together my writing sample. They have a wonderful team who's willing to help you in any way possible.
The law school is right in downtown Greensboro, which is the hub for Central North Carolina. There's multiple federal and state courthouses, and that attracts the jobs, the lawyers. So we are completely integrated with that through our career services department. And it allows you to also do internships with different organizations that directly work for the court systems.
This is a wonderful place to study law, many, many opportunities, and we hope you will consider it, and we look forward to seeing some of you here studying law at Elon in Greensboro.